Hey man, it's your boy TechQuiz TV. I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you see in the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all young niggas how to start a clothing brand, or you feel me, make money off a clothing brand. You feel me? Now, there's probably a million videos on this world, or not on this world, on this platform about how to start a clothing brand. It might be a lot of copy and paste information, but I'm gonna do my best in this video to feel me, get y'all right. So that's the first thing first. You feel me? So before we get into alright, so look, bro, if you want to jumpstart this whole process of starting a clothing brand, I have a clothing brand course. The link will be in the description. I'll put the link tree and the site myself before you can buy it, bro. Basically, in this, you're going to be getting hella free game. Like, first of all, you're going to get one-on-one coaching or, like, instruction and mentorship from me. Like, I'm going to break down everything, anything you need, any questions you have, I'm going to give you that. As well as it has multiple slides and documents, manufacturer lists, distribution options, the best design spaces. I'm gonna give you my personal fonts that I use, like a pack of like 100 different fonts that you can use on your brand. You feel me? So it's really just a good opportunity to jumpstart your brand. You feel me? And I ain't hitting niggas over the head too crazy for it. You feel me? Now it's optional. I ain't trying to force that shit down your throat. But you feel me? I'll be a crazy man not to offer that shit when I'm talking about my clothing. Like talk about how to start a clothing brand. So yeah, back to the video. Then make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? It don't cost a dime to show our niggas some real love. You feel me? We on the road to 2K. I just hit 1K yesterday, folks. I think I'm at 1,002 subscribers. So we on the road to 2K. You feel me? So go ahead, leave a subscribe, a like. Push this hoe up, cause I'm gonna give y'all a free game best of my ability, and then you feel me, hopefully y'all fuck with that. So boom, first thing first, I want to get off by saying, like, the first thing you want to do off the rip, we're gonna get straight into it. The first thing you want to do off the rip is you want to find your logo, your name, and your purpose. Now actually, I'm not even gonna say purpose, I'm gonna say meaning. So name, logo, and meaning. Now what do I mean by meaning? I'm gonna get in the meaning glass. So name and logo. This is important. Now pay attention, my nigga. This is important. Name, when it comes to name, bro. Logo, you can pay a nigga to do your logo. Your name is important, bro. You don't want to pick a name that's like, you might think of some shit that sound cool, like get money, some shit, like, bro, keep all the, like, when you hear, no, you gotta think long term as far as your brand, because if you might be doing it for a side hustle, but you also might end up being the biggest clothing brand in the world, and then you don't want to backtrack and have to deal with trademark issues, all type of shit like that. So listen to importantly. I'm gonna go step by step, like every step of the process. I'm gonna put time steps in the video. You feel me? Step by step process. You feel me? So basically, what you want to do, you want to find a name that fits you. My clothing brand is named Steez, my nigga. Steez Clothing, official Steez Clothing. But you gonna find a name for your brand. Now make sure it's catchy. It's something that you can say quick. Something that could be a household name one day. So like you think about Amazon, Walmart, nigga, Wingstop, Chicken Express, Chick-fil-A. Like some quick and easy shit is catchy. It revolves around what they doing. Like don't get money, like get money stacks club. Like shouldn't be a clothing brand name, bro. Or really specifically, like if you're not trying to go 100% in one niche, I wouldn't pick no shit like Money, Hustler, all that shit. Like you can do designs based off that shit. Like me, I got this shit called like the Hustler Club. Basically, it's like you signed up for the SMS list or whatever, and you like a consistent customer. You part of the Steez Hustler Club, my nigga. So boom, I put out products related to that, but that's not my name or my brand, because that'll fuck you up in the long run. What if I want to promote my shit to like any type of audience other than that? I'm not gonna put myself in one lane, bro. Now the name of my clothing brand, for example, is Steez. Now if you Google Steez, it's a well-fashioned person. It's somebody who puts that shit on well, all that. You Google Steez, it comes up in the dictionary as a word. So when you picking your shit, you feel me? You even regular brands like Gucci, Louis, Fendi products, quick and easy. Most of the time it be people names or some shit, or like Michael Miri, like all type of shit. You feel me? But it's something that's like easy and simple to say, bro. So don't overcomplicate it picking your name, but make sure you pick some shit that's gonna get you right. Now, trademark behind that. Now, trademarking, don't pick no shit nobody else already got. You don't know who got what trademark. You don't know what's copyrighted. You do all your research on all those things before You feel me? You want to get into that. Now, logos, I'm not big on logos, bro. I'm big on brand and meaning behind your brand. Like, logo is the last thing. Like, I might want to change my logo. You feel me? Like a logo, like I feel like a logo is something that's not consistent. Like yeah, cool. You want a logo, make a nice logo, but like I don't want my brand to be like yeah, most brands you want like the double M for McDonald's or certain brands, yeah, but like me, I want the name and the meaning behind the name to be the forefront, not really like a logo or some shit. So, which I do have a logo. You see it on my clothing brand, my clothes and shit. So, do have a logo, but yeah, those the first steps you want to get into. Now, the next thing, once you got your logo, your name, your meaning behind your brand, whether we sell workout clothes, your target audience, that's the next thing, target audience, bro. Whether you sell workout clothes, whether you sell like fashion, streetwear, like high-end clothes, suits, whatever you do, make sure you find your target audience. So, next thing you want to do, now if you a regular streetwear brand, you want to do two things, bro. You want to find out what type of business you want to run. Do you want to run a pre-made business or a pre-order business? Now, I'm going to break down a quick summary over both, bro. So, basically, pre-made, we're going to start with pre-made. So, basically, pre-made is where, okay, whether me or a third-party manufacturer, I put in the order or I get all the equipment or the blanks and the materials to make the shirts myself. I make them. I'm coming out of pocket, though. I'm coming out of my pocket. I make all the shirts. I have the shirts ready. And then I put them listed available for sale and people can buy them out of my stock. You feel me? Now, the pros and cons, bro. Pros, profit margins and customization of customer experience. Like that's all in my control. You feel me? But I am coming out of pocket, so if I don't sell a motherfucking shirt, I'm in debt. You feel me? So it depends on your financial situation. I'm not gonna recommend one over the other. The other one is pre-order, and pre-order is basically you can do print on demand, or you could just do it where like once they put in the order, then the order gets placed into the manufacturer and they send the shirt off once the thing's done. You feel me? So that's basically pre-order versus pre-made. You want to decide, and that comes none out of pocket because the money they send you, whatever profit you margin is, you're gonna have the profit margin, and then the rest gonna go towards the actual product being made. So you wouldn't be spending money in advance, but you also your money coming in gonna be less as well as like. But the positive is you don't have to come out of pocket for that. So you want to decide which lane you want to take with that. And then you want to think about, if you do take the pre-made method, you got to think about manufacturing, distribution, where you going to hold your shit, where you going to send it, shipping, all that shit. Now, if you want to start this whole process, bro, I have a clothing brand course, bro. Now, it's on my clothing brand website, or you can just DM me, I'll send you the link, and I'll probably have the link in my description as well. Now, I'm going to probably put a snippet in this video, like a little commercial for it, but yeah, I'm just telling y'all about that now, like, cause that can help y'all jumpstart. Cause I have a manufacturer list, like all the distribution and pre-made, like breakdown, like in depth. I got it on there, so yeah. So basically, we gonna skip past all that shit. So you got the manufacturing, got the distribution, all that shit. Now, what do you want to do? You want to focus on so we're gonna summarize what we have so far. So I just made a brand with y'all. So we made a brand called motherfucking not backwood, weed, bro. That's not even weed, folks, cause that's, you feel me? We made a brand called SR. SR is our brand. Those first letters on my chair. SR. We made a brand SR, bro. We have a logo, a meaning behind our brand. We have a target audience, and we make sure the trademarks and shit right, okay? So I have a website now. Like I said, you made a website to sell your shit, whether you do it like through Shopify, Teespring, Printify, all that shit. Wherever you want to make your site through, you make your site through. Now, you got a website, you got your logo, your meaning. Now you understand which method you're gonna do, pre-made or pre-order. So now it's about creating your product, really. Designs, you can do you can pay a graphic designer, you can make designs yourself. So now that you got the designs for your shirt and you put everything in the manufacturing or in production, Like you in production at this point. I'm talking like I broke down through everything. It's time to jump into production. Now I'm gonna get into like the marketing side, the business side, to be giving y'all a few tips throughout the shit. So first thing first, you want to make a platform. You want to make an account on every platform possible. So if you got a clothing brand, our clothing brand SR, we gonna want to be on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, motherfucker, anywhere eyes pointed, that's where you want to be. So any account, every account, you're gonna need to be on that platform and post consistently. So we gonna want to do that. And the next thing we're gonna do, we gotta think about marketing. So marketing, you can do word of mouth. Word of mouth is other people. So people, you just put it out, your product out there, and people fuck with it. They gonna tell people they fuck with it. All that. That's the normal way of brands growing. Word of mouth. So you got that. You got paid influence. So you can take two routes. You can buy ads directly from like Instagram, YouTube, all that shit, or you can play influencers, whether it's anybody or anything that can boom, go ahead and promote your product. Like me, I got 31K, I think. I gotta check real quick. I got 31K on Instagram, so I do promos myself, like, so I know the game behind it. Like, people gonna pay you, you get the product, you promote the product, and then hopefully that brings revenue back to them. So you can do it like that. You can do, I got a whole video breaking down how to approach and how to go after brand ambassadors, how to go about that process. So go check that out if you ain't seen that. I got clothing videos like step by step for a lot of things. I don't go too in detail because I always knew like at some point I was gonna make a clothing brand course, and it's gonna be like a Discord, like so where niggas can bounce ideas off each other, like people can cross promote, you feel me, work together. If you need graphic designers, graphic designers in there, it's gonna be this, that. I want to grow my YouTube audience because that's the platform I want to center the shit around. But you feel me, we're on the road to 2K right now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start getting the process of rolling that out. So yeah. So brand ambassador marketing, as well as like doing like pop-up shops if they available, like around you or anything. Pop-up shops, just try to get the much people, as much eyes, as much influence, as much everything around your brand, sitting around your brand as possible. Now, I done got through all the like steps kinda of the thing. I have like I said multiple times throughout the video, I have a clothing brand course that goes into very deep detail, and it comes with like a mentorship as far as like, bro, anything you need, I'm there to answer questions. I'm there to like, boom, you need this connection. Boom, I got you, bro. Oh, you want to work with one of the brand ambassadors I worked with? Okay, I can see what I can do with that. So I can, you feel me, link y'all with other people. Like you need graphic designers, you need anything, I can do that. Like I got y'all. Like hit my DM. So boom. What I really want to get into is the side of it, like the business side of it for real. Like the part that I want to get to is the side that niggas don't really talk about or scared to get into because they know it might deter people from watching their videos. Because like nobody want to be honest about this. Everybody not gonna get rich. Everybody not gonna be successful off clothing. And I'm gonna break down why, bro. Not everybody have the same passion. Not everybody have the same motivation. Not everybody have the same trajectory on their life that other people have. So like. First thing first, if you actually have a passion for it and you're not seeing results or it's getting hard or struggling, like don't let that deter you, because your passion should be the reason why you should get through it. It's going to be the reason you get through it. Passion going to get you through anything. And that like the ability to want to grind, like even if your motivation is money, if you got that, like your motivation strong enough, bro, that's going to be the thing to push you through like sales down, it's hard start offs, anything, because that's what comes with business, up and downs. Like, you know, so don't let that shit deter you. But I ain't gonna lie, the niggas who don't got their heart in the grind, like that's gonna separate brands from your brand from another brand, anything. Like, but if you wanna know like how to do that, bro, watch my videos. I got hella videos. It's like I break down all type of shit, like money moves, how to get into clothing, different avenues of clothing, parts of clothing, how to design, mock-ups, all that shit. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, be new. It's your boy Taquees. I'm out.